Guys, my name is Sonam. Welcome back to another video of unboxing. So today we are going to unbox a Rubik's cube, but it's not called a Rubik's cube, it's called a mind puzzle. So let's get onto it. So the box looks like this. If you can't read it, I'll read it for you. Mind maze, a great way to exercise your mind, play along, or ask your friends to join you for general brain exercise. So here's the same thing, same over here. So here it is written Mind Maze Designer Cube 3x3. On the top it's written Mind Maze, and it's from Naughty Toys. Let's come on to it. So you open like this. Whoa. Wow, it opened. It's quite different, by the way. It looks Let me see. Wow. So this is how the cube looks. Perfectly how it shows in the photo. So this is quite strange. So let's move this part out. You just do like wow. It looks like wow, it's so cool. Yeah, awesome. By the way, we can try and move it now. We can make different shapes. It's a nice toy to fidget with, and if you do like this, it is go smooth. And the lower one, wait a minute, this lower side doesn't move, and this middle side, yeah, the middle size move, but now it moves. See, if you want to move this, you need to do this, so it moves. Yeah, kind of, it moves. Yeah, so nice cube. So let's scramble this. Just joking, I'm not scrambling a cube which I can never solve. Let's just play with. You can just play with it for some time and all that. It's a nice cube, I will say. The big question is, can it do this? What just happened? Yeah. Can it do a flip? Oh my god, guys, it can do this. 2 at a time. My god, 8 seconds. Yeah. Nice cube, nice physical mentality. Smoothly and all that stuff. Yeah. Nice cube. So thank you for watching this video, and bye bye, and see you in the next video.